Welcome to the Real Estate Bee with your guide and as a trusted real estate expert, Daniela Gnecchi.
Hello and welcome or welcome back. I am going to bring you in this video the latest news, trends and opportunities from Spain's real estate market so you can make the smartest property decision. In today's videos, I got 5 major updates that will help you understand where the Spanish property market is heading. Before starting, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my channel, like the video, it is very important for me, and hit the notification button to be informed on the future video releases. Now, let's get started. News number 1. Spain has officially broken into the top 5 best countries in the world for foreign real estate investment, according to Colliers. This is the first time in history that Spain has reached this ranking, which is not just a number, but it shows how global capital is shifting in a new direction. So, you see, when I advise you to invest in Spain, I know what I'm talking about. Traditionally, big investors placed their money in safe havens such as the US. But with the current economic uncertainties, the capital is strongly moving into Europe, and Spain is leading the way thanks to its transparency, liquidity, and stable prices. Think of it this way. Investors are like bees, and I love bees, always looking for the best flowers. And right now, Spain is the best field in full bloom. The country offers strong macroeconomic stability, while certain sectors have adjusted their prices, creating excellent entry points for both big institutional investors and private buyers. It's not just about commercial investments, offices or shopping centers, because the residential market is literally blooming. Whether it's apartments in vibrant cities like Madrid or Barcelona, luxury villas on the coast, or peaceful homes with sea view on the hills, Spain offers many opportunities and security. For buyers and investors, this ranking is a huge confidence boost. It means that the world recognizes Spain as a secure, attractive hub for real estate capital. And that adds even more value to your investment. I am preparing some guides for investors, and I am going to help you more with that. So please subscribe and stay in touch. Now, talking about investments, let's talk about housing prices and how much you can gain in property appreciation if you buy now. A recent report from Singular Bank predicts that property prices in Spain will rise almost 9% between 2025 and 2026. That's 5% this year and another 3.5% more or less next year. Conservative prediction, because this is an average. If you watch my videos, you know which properties you have to focus on to make the most ROI. Now, why is this happening? There are 3 big drivers. Number 1, cheaper financing. The interest rates are expected to drop, with the Euribor reaching around 2% this summer, which makes mortgages more affordable for buyers. Number 2, population growth. Spain continues to grow, both from natural demographic trends and international relocation, migration. More people means more demand for housing. Number 3, rising incomes. Households are expected to have more money in their pockets, with disposable income growing faster than inflation. But the key reason that you should already know if you've been following me is that supply and demand are out of balance. By the end of 2025, Spain could be short around 600,000 homes, while only about 260,000 will actually be built in 2025 and 2026 combined. What does this mean? Prices will continue to rise, especially in high demand regions such as Madrid, Barcelona, Malaga, Alicante, and the islands. So for investors and home buyers, this forecast is a strong signal. Waiting might mean paying more. Entering the market sooner rather than later could secure you better opportunities and higher return on appreciation. Contact me to find the best options and the best investment strategy. Now, let's look at how foreign investors are changing their strategies. This is very, very interesting for you. At the last CIMA conference, experts highlighted a big shift. Investors are moving away from build-to-rent projects or buy-to-rent, especially in the affordable housing sector, and are now focusing on what? On build-to-sell developments. For years, rental projects were attractive, but rising interest rates, higher construction costs, and especially the stricter regulations that we have already discussed, and taxes, of course, have made this type of investment less profitable. On the other hand, the demand for homes to buy is very, very strong. So selling is where the bigger profits are. Now, the rental market still has a huge potential long term. Spain has one of the biggest imbalances between supply and demand for rental housing in Europe. So while today's investors are putting their money into build-to-sell properties, build-to-rent or buy-to-rent is not dead at all. And investing, especially in medium-term rental, is a safe and profitable option. You may want to watch my videos. There is a full playlist about rentals to learn everything you need to know to successfully rent out your property in Spain. So the takeaway here is, if you're an investor looking for short-term returns, buy to sell, build to sell, meaning buy new development properties, is the hottest move. But if you're thinking about buy to let, then medium term is still a very good option because demand for rental properties will always be there. Perfect strategy, combine the two. Buy new development properties, especially of plan, so you pay even less. Rent them out if you want. So in the meantime, prices go up, and then resell. Where should you buy? Well, let's travel to the sunny and magnificent Costa del Sol, which continues to shine as Spain's hottest real estate market for 2025. For decades, the Costa del Sol has been a favorite tourist destination, but today it is so much more. Thanks to Malaga's airport, which connects now to over 140 destinations worldwide, the region has become an international hub. Add to this also the rise of remote work and digital nomads, and you get a perfect mix of lifestyle and opportunity. Last year, in 2024 alone, foreigners bought over 11,400 homes in the province of Malaga. making up 32% of total sales. Buyers are younger too, mostly between 35 and 55 years old, professionals, entrepreneurs, and families from the UK, the Netherlands, Northern Europe in general, and increasingly more and more from the US. 2025 is expected to bring higher results. Why are they buying? Lifestyle is the top factor. Over 300 days of sunshine, beaches, golf courses, some of the best in Europe, and a vibrant leisure and food scene. But also investment potential. Coastal homes rose by over 12% only in the first quarter of 2025, outpacing most of Spain. New luxury projects like the 80 million South residences in Fuengirola are attracting international attention. But there are also mid-range opportunities. In short, Costa del Sol is no longer just a very good holiday spot. It is becoming a strategic hub for real estate investment. Contact me to find the best opportunities, whether you want to buy to rent, buy for yourself, buy just as an investment. Contact me. I will help you find the best solution and support you with everything you need during the whole operation. And finally, let's head back north to Catalonia, where prices are expected to rise by around 10% in 2025. This forecast comes from the real estate barometer, which measures the industry sentiment. The drivers here are, again, strong demand, lower interest rates, and a surge of interest from international buyers, including both immigrants returning to Spain and new expats moving in. The challenge, just like in the rest of the country, is supply. Developable land is very limited in Barcelona, and new projects face delays also due to administrative processes. So this mismatch between demand and supply is pushing prices up, like everywhere in Spain, but especially in a city like Barcelona, where it's very hard to build new. Rental growth will be more moderate because of the regulations, but the sales market remains very, very strong. For investors, this means that there are great opportunities, but also strong competition for the best properties. So to wrap up today's news, Spain is now a global real estate leader. Prices will keep rising thanks to strong demand and low supply, and this is something that will not be sorted anytime soon. Foreign investors are adjusting their strategies. They build to sell, buy new development properties, and then resell them. Costa del Sol and Catalonia are preparing for double-digit growth. It's a very exciting time in the Spanish property market for foreign buyers and investors, full of opportunities for both lifestyle buyers and people looking to earn money from property appreciation. If you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe, hit the notification button so you will never miss any update. And if you are thinking about buying property in Spain, feel free to reach out. We can have a call. All my contact details are in the description or on my website, therealestatebee.com. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video with more insights on the Spanish real estate market. Take care.